To make a payment on your Capital One credit card, start by gathering the necessary information, including your credit card account number and the amount you want to pay. You can find this information on your statement or by logging into your online account. First, go to the Capital One website and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have an online account, you can create one by clicking on the Register button and following the prompts. Once you are logged in, click on the Make a Payment button and select the credit card account you want to pay. Choose the payment amount and the payment date, and then select your payment method. You can pay using a checking or savings account, or you can use a debit card. Enter the required payment information, including the account and routing numbers for a checking or savings account, or the debit card number and expiration date. Review the payment information to ensure it is accurate, and then click the Submit button to complete the payment. You can also make a payment by phone by calling the Capital One customer service number and following the automated prompts. You will need to provide your credit card account number and the payment information, and then confirm the payment amount and date. Additionally, you can make a payment by mail by sending a check or money order to the address listed on your statement. Be sure to include your credit card account number on the check or money order to ensure the payment is applied correctly. It is also possible to set up automatic payments, which can help you avoid late fees and ensure your payments are made on time. To set up automatic payments, log into your online account and click on the Payments tab. Then select the Automatic Payments option and follow the prompts. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. If you are having trouble making a payment, contact Capital One customer service for assistance. They can help you set up a payment plan or provide information on hardship programs that may be available. In summary, making a payment on your Capital One credit card is a straightforward process that can be done online, by phone, or by mail. By following these steps and setting up automatic payments, you can ensure your payments are made on time and avoid unnecessary fees and charges.